Hi everyone, did you know anyone can copy, edit or even print your PDF without permission? In this video, I'll show you how to lock your PDF completely. No copying, no editing, no printing, and yes, it's 100% free. So let's get started. To do that, simply open your browser and search for PDF to go. Now go to the first web page. Scroll down the page. You'll get the option of Protect PDF. Simply click on it. Now from this drop down here, you can select your file from any source. Simply upload your file. Now once the uploading is done, you can set a password for your PDF document. As of now, I'll be just restricting the permissions of printing, copying and editing. Now once you checkmark the boxes, simply enter a password and click on Start. And that's it, the job is done. Now simply download the file and open it. Now you'll notice that no one will be able to copy any text from the PDF file. If you go to the document properties, under security you will see that all the features are restricted now. Now once you do it, simply go back to the browser and delete the file that you uploaded. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.